Hi everyone, this is a video about this Philips Sonicare DiamondClean smart handset. This is working perfectly. This is just for the purpose of this video. I brought it here just to show you how it should operate. And this one is good. As soon as you put it, it just makes two noises and then starting to charge. I just bring it a little bit here into this corner, and I have another one here that I wanted to get this out without damaging the unit. And this is a video to show you how to get this there, all working pieces inside this cover out of here. And in some cases, maybe if you have a bad battery, to change the battery. But this unit, it has another problem that is intermittent, that it has a very dry joint here somehow, somewhere. I tried somehow to just locate it, but it's too small for me to see. I look at it under microscope or magnifying glass, but unfortunately I couldn't find it. But it's intermittent, and if you flex it somehow like so, it's going to work, but it's intermittent. As soon as you put it back in on the cradle to charge, it just stops and doesn't charge the battery properly. Still, I'm working on this to make it work. But in order to get this out, you need a large plier and a piece of sponge in order to cover the base of this to avoid damaging it like I did. But you can get it out without damaging it. This one, it just goes at the bottom. And if you see here, we have one slot, and here we have two slots. And these two slots, they are going to the front, round this, and the single slot is going back here. So there is only one way of putting this in here. Let me just make sure, yes. These two slots, remember, is just for the front. And it goes like that, and then if you press it hard, it just clicks into place to these two latches here. And then this is all inside here. And remember, there are two like protrusion on each side, that these two are going to correspond with, let me just get my torch. It's really hard to show you. You see, let me just hold this with one hand. You see this part? There is another one on the other side. There. Those two are corresponding with these two black ones. So this is all inside here, and those two are in there. And as soon as you loosen this part by putting it, in the vise and just breaking the joint here, not breaking, I mean loosening the seal around here and the base of here, and then but if you push it from the tip very gently out, everything, it comes out without damaging it like I did there. But this one, I think, is beyond me, because there are so many joints here that I don't know which one is going to be loosened. I did a little bit resolder some of the joints that I could see. For instance, if you, well, let me just get this out. And if you want to get this out, you just push this away from one side and then here on the other side, and then this base is coming off and you put it aside. And if you want to take this battery out, I have to tell you that this was over the battery. Let me just put it the right way around. This is over the battery and this was over here. You see this hole? This hole is going there and the other hole there, if you can see that, it goes over here. So this is around here. Sorry about this, it's going out of focus here very easily. So this is a plastic, nothing is going to break in this. You can easily take this off. And then there are two joints here. I show you here. This one that is sharp, that the tip of my nail is there. This is the negative of the battery, and this one is the positive of the battery. You just, get the solder out of here, and then the battery, you can just pull it out of here and put another battery. This is a AA size battery, but is 4.2 volts. So there are many of them in the market. So it's about 10 quid or 12 quid. You can buy them, and this one is Sony, and it still is a good battery. After 3 years or more than 3 years of use, still this one, the battery is good, and nothing has been damaged in here by water or rust. Nothing really. You can see a little bit of rust there. But this is the board, and this one, this coil at the tip, is the one that recognizes your brush head. That as soon as you put it there, it recognizes which one is this one. For instance, this one is G2. G stands for gum. This is G2. And immediately this one goes, let me just show you. If you put that one there, immediately goes to tongue and gum health. I'll show you now. Just let me push this aside, and if you put it there, it just goes to gum health. Anyhow, this is this video. I don't want this video to go too long, but I just wanted to show you the components at the back of this. If you can, there are some serious components at the back of this as well, but here is the majority of them are here as well. You can pause and look if you want. I don't know if you can see the numbers, but I have another image I show you later on. So this is how to get this out of the cover and change the battery, or give it a clean. But I do not advise to give it a clean before it breaks, because you are going to ruin the look of this, and because of the fragility of this, you are going to damage this. The only way that you can think about removing this from there is to change the battery, or take the battery out and dispose of the unit. Anyhow, this video is getting too long, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, If you have any questions, if you know what is wrong with this, if you know, if you experience the same problem that I had with this, please let me know in the comment box, and you know, maybe I would be able to fix this. But at the moment, still I'm baffled by what is wrong with this. Sometimes it comes on, sometimes it doesn't come on, it doesn't charge. And if you look, I put it there, nothing is going to happen. Let me just show you. Yeah, let me just push it there. It just does this, and then every once in a while, you know, it just stops charging, and now it's not charging really. After a short while, you know, it stops charging, all the lights again is coming on. So this was the problem. And if it works, you know, as soon as you take it off here, it has to, the lights has to come on like this. I'll just show you. You see now it's charging, one light is on, and then as soon as take it off the cradle, the light has to come on. So this one has a serious problem, and I checked, is not the battery, but is something else. Anyhow, I won't take much of your time anymore, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other. And if you want me to disassemble this further to show you back and forth, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to that video as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.